Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Shopify video, and it's an update video, but I'm gonna review some of the Shopify Winter 2025 features which they have added. These are basically not the features which they have added, they have basically improved the already added feature which they had previously. So they have fine-tuned many features, which is like 150 plus fine tuning which they have done on multiple sectors and categories. So I'm gonna review some of them which I think is important, and I'm also like it's not possible for me to cover all of the 150 updates, but I'm going to give you some of the important things which they have updated on Shopify. So if you have a store, or if you're a Shopify store owner, merchant, or if you're a developer, make sure to watch the complete video if you want to get updated with the latest features which they have added. So without further ado, let's get into the screen. Okay guys, so that's where we have these lot of updates, and Shopify is calling them boring because they haven't added anything new. They have just improved everything which they had previously added, right? So we're gonna go over this things, and I'll pick up the one which I think is important and which I understand. Obviously there are too many updates and I didn't get a chance to go through all of them, but some of them which I have gone through, I am going to review this with you guys in this video. And so this is the configured combined listing for search, and this combined listing feature is Shopify Plus, is for Shopify Plus, so I'm not going to review that one. And this is the category filter ordering. And what does it mean is that Shopify search and discovery app has added an ordering filter, so you can now filter it manually as well. So if you click on it, it also displays that. So you can see that if you have added shoe size as a meta field and that these are the values, it's going to automatically show that in this specific order previously, but now you have the option to manually sort it, right? So that's the new feature which they have added. So if I open up the search and discovery app, so let's open up the search and discovery app. Here's the app. And if I go to filters in search and discovery app, and here we have, you can see material, price, availability. So if I click on color, I have multiple colors via category meta field, right? And you can see it here. So that's what they have added. Basically, you can now sort it manually as well. So you can drag and drop and manually sort in. Previously, that feature was not available. So that's the feature which they have added. That's what they are referring. And you can now also add category meta field. So if I go to filters and then click on add filter, you will have the option of category meta field as well. So here we have this category meta field that was also not available previously. So you can now create more stronger custom filters in Shopify store, right? And what else do we have? Okay, on this one, if you are selling product on subscription basis and you have used the free Shopify subscription app, which is this app here. So that's the free Shopify subscription app where you can add in the feature on the products for the subscription. Previously, it did not have an option to edit the subscription within the product page. You had to go within the app to change the features of the subscription. So let me open that app. If I click on, I've already installed that app and played around with that before recording this video, so I could demo you guys what are the features which they added, right? So if I click on plans, I have created a Shopify subscription plan. So if someone buys this product, it's gonna get 10% off based on the subscription product. This product, which is Drop Classic Leather Wireless Charger. Previously, if I wanted to change anything on this subscription option, I had to open this app and then click on plans to edit the subscription feature. But now they have added that within the product itself. So if I go to products and open that product where I've added the subscription feature and scroll down, you can see that's where they have added this option. So I can select it only, sell this product as a subscription. Previously, this whole purchase option box was not within the product page. You had to go to the Shopify subscription app and then click on the app to edit the subscription settings. So that's the feature which they have added. And now let's move on to the next one. Okay, here we have oversell protection for subscription renewals. So it's basically going to detect if the products within the Shopify subscription is out of stock, and it's going to automatically notify the merchants So if we open it, that's what it's going to say. The update will allow merchant to minimize subscription disruption, leading to a better experience because merchant will receive immediate notifications that specify which products are affected and are out of stock. So again, Shopify's subscription app related feature, right? And similarly, this one here. So if you do buy X and get Y works with the subscription app now. So if I go to discounts on my development store and click on add discount, go to buy X and get Y, you can for the X where you are getting the benefit, you can simply select now the subscription product. So if I select the subscription product, it's going to completely work fine. It's automatically going to add the discount when this subscription is renewed. So that's what it says. By the way, if you are looking to add volume discount on your store, you can use the app which is created by us. The app name is Big Bulk Discount. It's just $2 a month, and a free trial is also available. It's definitely going to help you increase average order value. We have tested that and our merchants have requested this feature, so we created this app. You can basically create 3 different tiers on, and you can set your own quantity and discount, that how much discount you want to give on based of the volume discount. So make sure to check that out. The app will be in the description. Okay, so now let's move on to the next feature where they have more automatic discounts. So previously there was a limit of 5 automatic discount which you could create, but now you have the limit of 25. Now you can create 25 discounts which are active at the same time. So they have increased the limit here. Market rolling out soon. I'm not sure why they're saying rolling out soon, because I have seen, I mostly worked with the US and the UK stores, and I haven't seen any issue creating the markets. We have created different markets for Europe, for UK and US, but they're saying rolling out soon. Maybe there are some countries where they haven't rolled out that feature. So it could be this. So this is for reporting for bundles. Shopify has a free Shopify bundle app. So if you Google Shopify bundles, I've also created a video on how you can create bundles using Shopify bundles app. So where is the Shopify bundles? Bundles. So here it is. You can see they have a free Shopify bundles app, and now they have included the reports related to this bundles app. Now you will be able to see in your normal analytics. So if I go to analytics, I'll be able to see how many bundles and how many views I got on the bundles as well. So that's what this update say. I have installed this app on my development store, so I cannot show you the reports. And this is for the clear view of the bundle. So if you add bundle to the cart and the checkout, it's going to show the preview just like this here. So this is the bundle, and this bundle include these products. Previously it just added inline and it didn't show it. It's a nice sleek view of how you can view the bundles in your cart and checkout, right? And accurate bundle inventory. So it's going to accurately show if the bundle is out of stock, if any of the products within that bundle is out of stock. That's what this update says. Streamlined theme editor settings. So I haven't seen any difference after this update in the theme editor settings. So if I open that up and I have the latest theme installed, which is 15.2, I guess, right? Yeah. So let's see if they have added a new update on theme as well. But nope, they haven't added any update. 15.2.0 is the latest version, and I have the latest version installed, and it was before the winter edition 2025. And they're saying that they have streamlined the theme editor settings, but I'm not seeing any difference. Let me know in the comments below if you are seeing any difference on your site in theme editor settings. That's what it's saying, but I don't see any difference. And the screenshot is also same as what we have right now, right? Yep, so no difference on this point. Custom search filters on Shop. So Shop is an app which is available in iOS and Android, which shows all of the stores and all of the products within those stores. So now you can add filters which you have on your store on Shop app as well, right? The returns in Shop, again related to the Shop app. customers can now initiate returns and exchange directly from the order management page in the Shop app. So in the Shop app, there's an order management page, and they'll be able to initiate the return if they want to. That's what this feature says. And we have covered all of this part, I guess, right? I think this one isn't covered. Yeah, meta objects everywhere, meaning in customized settings, if we go to our theme editor, we didn't have meta objects everywhere. We had meta fields, but we didn't have meta objects. So if I click on image with text and I click on this dynamic option here, you can see now we have meta objects option available, right? It wasn't previously available for all of the theme or all of the blocks in the Shopify theme store, right? So we have meta objects and meta fields everywhere now. Click on footer, connect dynamic source. Yep, we have the meta object showing up anywhere. Previously, meta objects were not available globally on the theme editor. So that's what this feature is about, right? Okay, what do we have left here? Smart collection based on taxonomy attributes. Okay, so for smart collection based on taxonomy attributes, meaning now we can create collection based on meta field value as well. So if I go to collections, click on products, then click on collections, and then click on create collection. We previously had automated collection and manual. Now we have smart collections, and in smart collections, we don't have just tag, title, type, category. We also have this meta field option where we can simply select based on the value of that meta field, we can create the collection. So that's what they are calling smart collections based on taxonomy attributes, right? And here we have custom meta fields for product categories. So previously the meta field which we were creating was for all of the products, but now we can assign the meta fields based on product categories. So if I go to custom data, click on settings, and then click on custom data. And here, if I go to products and then try to create a meta field by clicking on add definition, we have now this option which says category assignments. And here we can simply assign specific category of the product to display this meta field. We don't have to display this meta field on all of the products. So again, a refined tuning for custom meta fields for product categories. And okay, now let's scroll down, and this section is for the POS, and I don't have much information about the POS because I have mostly worked with the theme side of the thing. So I'm just gonna skip the retail part and go to the checkout part, which is really important. And checkout blocks on more pages. Now we can add blocks on the thank you on order status page with the free app which is called checkout blocks. And while I'm on this video, let me try that app and show you guys how it's gonna work. I haven't personally used this app, so I'm just gonna quickly go over this app, install the app, and try to create a block on the checkout page. So let's install the app. By the way, I haven't gone through this app before creating this video, so this is just kind of a going live testing thing. So here we have blocks. Now let's try to create a block. Create block. And okay, let's do static content for now. Under static content, okay, select the page where the block should appear. Okay, open editor. And here we have, now I'm going to add a static content to my order status page. And here's our order status page, right? And here we have the option to add in border box. Okay, testing order status block. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. We have the option to change the font size. We have to change the font alignment, appearance, show collapsible. Okay, that's also an option to show the collapsible. Perfect. And all of this without any coding knowledge. Let's see what we have. Okay, for the line item, we can only show on Shopify Plus. And here we have subscription management. So what does it say if I click on? Okay, here we have accounts page. We can also add blocks on accounts page. So if I add this on order status page, let's see what it's gonna show. Where it is. Your payment is due in 7 days. I think it's this one, right? So if I added all plans, subscription, not showing anything. I'm not sure why it isn't showing here. But this one is showing here. But what I'm gonna do, I'll create a more detailed video on how you can add blocks on your checkout page and order status page. For now, I'm going to move over to the next feature which we have, and which is faster cart and checkout. They have increased the loading speed by 50% for your cart and checkout, so it's going to be more asynchronous, more smooth experience of checking out. Faster accelerated checkout buttons. So checkout buttons are now 58.8% faster than the previous one. Smoother checkout loading. So all of this are mostly related to the checkout, and we'll try go through everything. We have gone through the blocks and chat apps in checkout. Okay, now we can also add chat apps on the thank you page or order status page. So if someone have question after adding the order, they can do that. Okay guys, I'm not gonna go over much of the features in the checkout because I also have to test some of the features which they have added in the checkout, but these are the ones which I have. This one I just tested with you guys, and it's a good feature. Checkout blocks is one of the really important feature which I think I have some multiple times received requests from my customers on adding features on the thank you page, on adding like blocks and custom text on the order status page and the checkout page. But now we have this feature available for free. We don't need to use any paid app for that, right? So that's a cool feature. Now if we scroll down and go to the marketing section, which is one of the really important part, where we can see that they have added multiple so this one, yeah, flow marketing automations. They have added a lot of automation templates in Shopify Flow. If you don't know about Shopify Flow is an app, a free app where you can basically create flows, create automation based on certain triggers. I have created a detailed video on that. You will find the link in the description. Check this out app if you're using Shopify, and if you're not using Shopify Flow, you gotta use it because it is going to automate a lot of manual stuff which you are doing manually right now. So they have added more templates on this one. And one other thing I wanted to show you guys here is holiday email template. So if you are using Shopify email, again, another free app available. So that's the app, Shopify email, where you can create a lot of templates based on certain triggers like abandoned cart and a lot of stuff, right? And they have like 10,000 emails per month free, and more than that, it's just like $1 per 1,000 per email. So that's also a really important email. I'm going to create a detailed video. I haven't created any video on this one, but I'm going to create a detailed video on Shopify email, on Shopify checkout blocks, and on Shopify forms as well. So they also have a forms app where you can create custom forms without using any codes. So this is the app which I'm talking about, Shopify forms. That's also a really important app, which is really cool, where you can add these custom fields like birthday, single line text, drop down list, radio button, multi-line text, and all of this will be directly within the customer's data. So all of the forms which are filled up will be added in the customer data, right? It's pretty cool options. And what other important thing which I wanted to go through with you guys? Okay, that's branded login page. We can now add logos and the colors on the login page. That's not really important. And one thing for the developers is that now we have, so if I scroll down, and this one, so one thing for developers, if any one of my viewer is a developer, mostly the content which I create is for the merchants, where I have created multiple free sections. If you are watching this channel for the first time, and if you have watched this video till now, I have created a lot of free sections. And make sure to subscribe the channel and watch the other videos which I have created, where I have created video autoplay section, a lot of different sections which I have created. Let me show you as well the sections which I have created on this channel, which are not available natively in Shopify. So you gotta code them, and I have provided the free sections. It's a free code, use it for free. You don't have to pay anything to me on that. Just watch the videos and enjoy. So that's the circle menu. Again, a video autoplay. The video is going to continuously playing on loop with the autoplay feature, and you can add the text block, heading block, and here we have the pie chart section. Here is the collection carousel, and you can also add this custom badges. I've also created this video. There's another slider, and this is the lookbook section. Again, all of these are paid section, and this is the before after slider. That video is not yet live, but it's going to be live somewhere around next week. Vertical tabs, that video is live. So a lot of sections which I have created. Make sure to check out the other videos which I have created. And one other important thing is theme blocks. So now we can create blocks which are globally available in all of the section. And so if you are a developer, you might understand what I'm saying. So if I go to customize, now each section have specific blocks. For example, image with text have these blocks like a heading and a button, right? Now we can create more blocks, right? So for this image with text, we have these 3 blocks only, but what we can do now is like these are individual blocks within this section which are tied to this specific section. But now we can create a global block which is going to work on all of the sections. I'm going to create videos in future where I am going to add where I'm going to give you free blocks. So if you want to add countdown timer or some other blocks, and I'm going to make it globally available so you guys can use it on any of your theme section. So again, make sure to subscribe the channel if you want to have the free sections and blocks resources for you. And I think that's it for the video, guys. If you guys just give me 100 likes on this video, I'm going to create part 2 of the Shopify Winter Edition, because there are a lot of features which even I need to go through, and I'm also going to give you a demo after I go through. So if I just get 100 likes on this video, I'm going to create a part 2 of that video. Until next video, have a great day.